Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to line my hair. It looks a little crazy, but today I'm going to be trying something totally different, and I hope it doesn't get messed up. I hope it's not super duper bad, but I'm going to be trying taping extensions. So I found these extensions first on Amazon. First off, this texture is really hard to find in tape in extensions. First off, I saw a YouTube video, like a viral YouTube video of a woman in the salon getting curly tape and extensions, and I was just like, oh my god, I have to have that. Like, I have to, and y'all know me, I do everything myself, well, at least I try to. So yeah, I was looking online, and this is a really hard texture to find in tape and extensions. I found a couple places that were like dumb expensive, and then I found this one company on Amazon that had tape and extensions, and I was like, oh, that's even better. And I was like, you know what, let me just look on their actual website. So I went to a company called More So Hair, and I'll link it down below. It's not high quality hair, to be completely honest. Obviously, you'll, but I mean, I think it's okay to like try for my very first time trying this like type of extension. But yeah, so I literally just got the box today. And I got 3 bundles of kinky curly tape and extensions for about $118, which already off the rip should tell you that it's not like virgin, top-notch hair, right? So yeah, 3 bundles of 18-inch. Well, I say bundles, but they come in like packs of 20 pieces, which is like 10 sandwiches. If you've ever seen someone do tape and extensions before, you need 2 pieces to put together to make a sandwich. So 20 pieces is really just 10 sets, if that makes sense. And I bought 3 packs of 20 pieces, if that makes sense. But yeah, for $118 total. And the shipping was free. It took about 3 days, 4 days. But I think I ordered it on like a Sunday night, shipped out on a Tuesday, and then today's Friday, and it's here. So yeah, it came in this box. And this worried me because, first off, look how small this box is. And I'm like, how the hell did they fit 3 packs of hair in this little bitty box? But they did. I mean, the bundles aren't like huge or whatever. But so this is the hair. This is me after I run my fingers through it a couple times already. So it didn't come out this puffy. But yeah, and you see like those are the tape parts or whatever. Yeah, just first sight, it's obviously not the best quality. I'm running my fingers through it, and it sheds, it tangles just off the rip. But I mean, that's to be expected with hair this cheap. So yeah, I was gonna like wash it, but girl, I don't want it to be, bald by the time I'm finished. But yeah, that's the first bundle, and they come packaged like this. So actually, I'll take this out so you can see it like fresh out the package. So yeah, in the color 1B as well. This is the only color it comes in. Yeah, I wish I could have got a little bit brighter color because my hair is kind of like a brown. Can't really pick it up on the camera, but my hair is like a lighter brown. Yeah, and to prep my hair, I just washed it, blow dried it, and like very, very lightly pressed it. So like not a very high heat setting, which is why it's still like frizzy. And I feel like, why would I like press it to put curly hair in it, I just wanted to like get rid of as much bulk as possible so this doesn't look like ridiculous. But yeah, this is it straight out of the pack, looking real Remy like, but yeah, so that's it straight out of the pack. So yeah, I'm not really gonna do like a tutorial per se. I mean, you can watch videos online on like how to put them in. Also, it's kind of hard because I don't have like a good way to film the back of my head. Maybe when I get to the front, I'll like show you guys how I'm doing. But yeah. Okay, y'all. It's a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm struggling a little bit. At least with the back of my head, I can't really see. Also, it's hard to like know where to put the pieces so it don't look like something's sticking out. But so far, I have 3 pieces in. This is, yeah, 3 pieces. I'm trying to work it in sections so I don't run out. And like one part of my hair is not thicker than the other, but yeah, this is 3 pieces. I'll try to show you the back. Let's see if we can get it a little bit. So 3 pieces, and then look how flat that is. I feel like I can't see that. But yeah, look Look how flat that is. Nothing. It's literally like there's no. It's so weird because I'm used to having like braids or whatever. But yeah, look how fucking flat that is. Yeah. So yeah, I mean I'm happy with the way it looks. So I mean I'm 2 pieces in, but yeah. So I'll check back in when I have like half my head done, I guess, or at least when I get to the front. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm like halfway done. Well, really with the back bottom half. So this total is 1 bundle I have back here. I'm kind of putting them in very conservatively because I'm just kind of scared that I'm gonna run out. Like, and if I have a lot left over, I can obviously always go back and put more in. But this is 1 bundle, so 20 pieces, 10 sandwiches, or just 1 pack. So yep, and that's what it's looking like. It's fairly flat. I can definitely pull it into a low ponytail. Obviously, for those of you that don't know, I'm in the military, so I will be in uniform come Monday. So yeah, pretty flat, and it's quite a bit of hair for 1 pack or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. Okay, okay y'all, I'm gonna give you guys like a little look at how I put these in. So all I did was basically section off this tiny little piece of hair on the side of my head. You want to make sure it's thin enough, because if it's too thick, it's not really going to stick well. The pieces aren't going to really stick to each other, so it needs to be fairly thin. And what I do is, like, this is part of the reason why it's kind of taking me so long, is because I want it to be able to, when I put it in, I have to know that it's going to lay flat in, like, any direction that I'm planning on styling it in. So because I have to get all this back into a very sleek bun, you know, for work, it has to be able to, you know, go into a low ponytail. And then also, you know, I want to be able to do a high messy bun, so it needs to be also able to flip up towards the top of my head. Those are pretty much the only, I don't think I'm going to wear this hair down too often, you know, but, so yeah, so that's the little piece on the side. And here's one of the tape pieces. So you just take the white part off and make sure that the sticky part is facing the hair. So that bottom piece, the sticky part, will be facing up. And basically all you do is put it up under the piece of hair. You have to make sure that you stick it all the way, and then you want to make sure that it's kind of like, you know, stuck in there. Yeah, so, and then like that's pretty much all you have to do for the first part. And then you just grab the top piece. I've heard that some people, you can just put in 1, like not sandwich them, but I feel like this is more secure, and they're just gonna be sliding out or whatever. So you still have that same piece, and you just wanna line up the pieces. Sorry, I'm trying to look in the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. You can imagine how hard this was for the back of my head when I could not see anything. But yeah, you just wanna line the pieces up. See. Yeah, okay, that feels pretty good. So they're just kind of sandwiched in there now. Dang, I feel like you can't see that. They're sandwiched in there now. That's a good enough picture. And then what I do is take my flat iron. It's on very, very low heat. It's on 350. And then you just kind of want to tap where the 2 pieces meet. Just kind of helps to let it stick a little bit better. Yeah, on the very first piece, I had this mug on like 400, and I tapped it, and I thought I was gonna lose that piece of hair because the sandwich just kind of melted, and I was like, oh damn, this shit's not coming out. So there you have that, and then it's stuck in there, and then if you see, You just flip it up and you can't see it at all. And it's flush to my head. Don't mind my this sleeve out here. But yeah, flush to my head. There's literally like no way that you could tell. And then when I decide to pull it back, ow, just straight like that. See how flat that is? Boom. And that's basically how I've been doing it. Okay, y'all. I'm back and I'm about to put in the last piece. I'm just gonna show you guys, just in case the last angle wasn't good on how, I know I look crazy because my shit is all over the place, but just bear with me. Okay, so this is the piece, the section that I've parted off. See, it's very thin and wide enough to fit the extension on. And what I'm gonna do is take this, the tape is already off, you see the sticky side up, and I'm just gonna place it underneath. Oh, whoops. So I'm having a hard time seeing what I'm doing. And just kind of, you know, press it to make sure it's secure. You probably would want to normally do that with like a comb so you don't get like oils from your fingers onto the sticky part. But yeah, so now that's underneath. Take the second piece, peel it off, and you're gonna want to take it and line it up directly. Jeez. Line it up directly on top. Right, that looks about right to me. Mind you, obviously people are not a cosmetologist. You want your shit to be like right, then just go get it done. Don't be like me. Don't be a cheap girl like me. You just want to press it a couple times with a flat iron to just squish it together. And yeah, that's it. Why?